You might be wondering what we're doing here. It all begins with an idea, sparked by the ingenuity and forward thinking of our team and perfected by skilled craftsmen. Every element of the project must be carefully constructed and thought out. The painter applies the finishing touches with color and texture. But it doesn't end there. Public environments present a range of challenges for the design and manufacture of stairs and balustrades. That's why all stair parts are put in the right place by a professional team. A team that understands the importance of safety and functionality while still maintaining the beauty and elegance of the project. And the results are stunning. A true masterpiece of design, engineering, and artistry.